Hello everybody, my name is Sebastian Bauer, I'm with Broadcom Limited. I'm at the Embedded World 2018 at the EBV booth, and I'm happy to announce our new TOF sensor platform AFB-RS50 today. Just to name a few features of our sensing technology, we are immune to ambient light up to 200 kilolux. We have an accuracy always better than 1%. We have a range of 10 meters and a SPI interface. Today we will launch two products, AFB-RS50 MV85G, which is multi-pixel TOF sensors. We use up to 16 pixels out of 32, and we have an 850 nanometer integrated laser light source. The second one is AFB-RS50 MV68B, which is a single pixel TOF sensor using a visible light source of 680 nanometers. And let's have a look at the performance. We have two samples here. The left side is using the 850 nanometer light source. The right one is using 680 nanometers with a visible spot. We do see it here. And let's perform some gestures in front of the sensors. So we can see the movement of my hand. We can see distances can be detected as well. We provide a software interface to our customers where they see here the range and on the right side the amplitude, which gives us an impression about the signal quality. So doing the statistics, we can get a really high accuracy of the ranges for several pixels. It is the same way we are doing it with 680 nanometer version. So let's talk more about the applications. The 680 nanometer version is perfectly for industrial sensing, and the 850 nanometer version multi-pixel is very good for all kind of presence detection and surveillance functions.